I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to wrap a Dodge Challenger step by step. Start by thoroughly washing and decontaminating the surface, then remove badges and trim to expose clean edges. Measure panels and cut vinyl with 2-inch overlap, keeping a margin for shrinkage. Use heat gun to conform vinyl around curves, squeegee from center to edge to remove air, and keep seams tight for a factory finish. Start prepping with quality tools and test pieces to build confidence before starting on the car. Lay out squeegees, heat gun, precision knife, surface cleaner, and magnets to hold vinyl. Clean each panel with isopropyl alcohol and clay bar, then mask edges and protect glass with painter tape. Practice stretching on a scrap to learn how vinyl reacts to heat, and mark overlap lines to plan seams and pattern flow across panels. Quick recommendation: if you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Robot face: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum Voice Control, perfect for keeping your shop free of dust while you wrap cars. On another note, check the description for the link and other deals to save time and money. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. Begin with the hood and large panels to set color flow and minimize seams later. Center vinyl, tack at top edge, then smooth downward with a felt squeegee, cutting release holes at tight curves. Heat gradually and stretch into compound curves, avoiding excessive thin spots by pulsing the heat and resting the film. Trim edges with a new blade, tuck under trim, and reinstall badges after 24 hours to ensure adhesive bonds fully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.